What is up, design family? I hope you are doing well. My name is Adam and I'm a graphic designer, and today we're going to show you how we're going to make this cool highlighted editable type effect. Let's get into it. Really quick, really easy. So first thing we're going to do is grab our type tool. I'm going to go to our new artboard and type our word, D-O-P-E. This font, if anyone wants to know, is called GNAR, G-N-A-R, and that's by overlap type. So we got our type here. Then we're going to go to the Pathfinder. Then we're going to go to make a compound shape. The reason we do that is to make sure the highlight effect actually affects the whole of the type, not just one letter. I'll show you what that looks like if we didn't do that in a second. Then we go to the appearance panel. We've got our fill here. We're going to make this one white. That's going to be our highlight effect in a second. Then we're going to duplicate this by Option and dragging the mouse down. And this is where we're going to put our gradient. So we go to our gradient here. Let's make sure that this gradient is actually a good angle. So it's here, we need to put this at 90 degrees so it goes from dark to light. So that's going to be our gradient fill. Now we're going to duplicate this again, and what we'll do is make this one black. So make this black. Now we're going to give this an offset. So we go to FX, path, offset path. We're going to make this about 15, and then we're going to turn this join to round, and that just rounds off the edges, so I haven't got any of that jaggedy sharp shapes. Let me press OK. Now we go to our fill, go to effects, distort and transform. Then we go to transform here. So we're going to change our horizontal to 1, our vertical to 1, and then our copies to 1 as well. Press OK. Then we go to our fill again, FX. Then we go to path, offset path, and we're going to make this a minus offset. So we'll make this -5. And again, make it round. And then press OK. And then finally, go up to the white again, we go to the FX, and then we go to Pathfinder, we go to minus back. And then we drag this minus back to the bottom underneath the transform. And there we have it. Really cool, editable type. You grab the type tool, you can write whatever you want. We can put sick, because it's a sick effect. And you can see here on the other effect, what happens if you don't make it a compound shape, because it doesn't see it as one shape. So I hope you found this really useful. It's a really cool effect. I also have my styles bundle, which has all of these available if you want it. The link to them is in the bio, and I'll see you all very soon.